of cosmic defense, NASA has taken a giant leap. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test, or DART for short, made history as the first mission dedicated to testing asteroid deflection techniques. Picture this: a spacecraft on a collision course with Dimorphos, a moonlet merely 530 feet in diameter, orbiting the larger asteroid Didymos. On the 26th of September 2022, DART made impact. The goal? To alter Dimorphos's motion in space through kinetic impact, essentially nudging it into a new orbit. And the result? A resounding success. NASA's achievement with DART is a testament to our growing capabilities in planetary defense. It's not about battling extraterrestrial threats, but safeguarding our home from celestial objects that could pose a risk. Remember, the universe is vast and unpredictable, but we're learning to chart our course one asteroid at a time.